So welcome back to the channel on this Sunday quickie. So today I have a new seal. So it's an ITM 15-01309. I also bought an extra just because. And this one is a WJB WS710235. Don't know which one I'm using yet. Let me get them open here and I'll inspect them. Because I was planning on rebuilding this other engine too. So I was planning on getting two seals. This one is, the one I used last time I screwed up was the same as the one I got. I think I'll use this WJB on here though. And we'll get to that any minute. Now, I was sure I brought home my assembly grease, but I have my assembly lube. I don't see my assembly grease anywhere around here, so, oh well. I'm just putting a dab of motoseal on the ends where it's got to meet up with the blocks right here. So that's what I'm doing here. So there we go. Let's see if I can get this one on without destroying it. I'm hoping I can. It should go on quite easily. I have lubed the inside of the seal, so it will go on easy. And I'm going to use the old one to punch in the new one. Hopefully this will work. Should. I've already got this side in too far. See if I can pull her out a little by doing this. Yeah, it's not too far. Seems okay. I don't want to destroy this seal, so it'd be a lot easier if I was facing upwards or downwards. In there. And the mosquitoes are crazy out here right now. I am wearing my Subaru hat with a fish fly on it. Get off of there, you stinking fish fly. Man, lots of them this year. Way too many. Oh, this is going in. Good. And there we go. Maybe one more hit on the bottom. There we go. She's even all the way around. She's not punched in too far. She's just in there far enough. So, hopefully. And that way I did not destroy it. As you can see. There we go. She's in. Now, I'm going to take this plate off. And this plate. Reseal those. I think I already broke them loose. So I got the screws out. Now I got to do is get them off. Pry bar. Okay, all I could find is a big pry bar, so nope. That didn't take much, did it? I don't know if that's ever been pried off of there. This one? This tab here. Okay. I need a smaller screwdriver. Here's one. There we go. And, oh, that takes a seal. So I think I have that seal in the kit. So I will put a seal on there. But, look at this. I may want to clean that up a bit. Yes, I will. So there we are. I got the cover all cleaned up. New sealant is on. So now I'm just going to try to get her placed back on there as well as I can. And hopefully I don't screw this up. Oh, look at that. Maybe I did. I'm not putting any Loctite on these screws or anything. Yeah. Where's my screwdriver? There it is. It's right in front of me, by the way. Get these ones centered. There we go. I don't know the tightening sequence of this, so I'm not looking it up, as I don't feel like it. Just trying to get this together. And at least with new sealant, it's not going to leak. I don't think it leaked before, but you never know. There was a lot of oil in here last time when I took this engine apart, so you never know. But I was told to redo this, so by somebody who's rebuilt a few of these, so I figured, no, just do it. Just get her done, just do it, and that'll be the smart thing to do. I don't know what the torque setting is on this, but I guess I should look that up. Well, I found the torque setting, but I lost my torque tool to be able to use on these bits, so I kind of just guessed at it. So hopefully it's right. Now I did find the new seal for this area, so there's the old seal. It's all flattened out and terrible. And here's the new seal. And yeah, I feel that it's sealing, so that's probably a good thing. Yeah, that's the seal they gave me. Do I trust it? Well, I guess I'm gonna have to trust it, aren't I? But who knows? Yeah, let's go for it. Put that on there. Put this one on here. Use my trusty screwdriver to tighten these. Come on. I'm at a bad angle here, so I'm going to tighten them to about 7 or 8 foot-pounds, I'm guessing, with my screwdriver. So it's kind of like I've lost my bit for this. I'm guessing. There we go. And there we go. That is done. I'm glad that's done. Now I can move on with this build. And I'm going to show you something. And I did buy a new flywheel, and this is going to be the flywheel I use. It's from LUK, Schaeffler, LFW262 flywheel, made in China, of course, like everything. So, brand. Why was it feel heavier now than when in the box? So there we are, brand new flywheel to put on this masterful beast of a build, and hopefully this will make her all work out just fine. I was going to do a test fitting there to actually see if it fits, which I will soon, but yeah, there we go. Did all this today so I can get the flywheel on, then I can get her back on the stand and actually start putting heads and everything back together. So, well, thanks for watching. Hope you stuck with me through this. I'll catch you next time on, I believe, there's going to be a new oil filter review tomorrow. Take a look at it.